Welcome to the official inauguration of our new office building of Bidadi Industries Association and virtual inauguration of centralized solid waste management facility. My name is Anusha and this is my privilege to host this milestone event. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಬಿಡದಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ನೂತನ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಯ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. While we have embraced the new normal, our traditional ceremonies and cultural functions will never go out of fashion, and today's auspicious activities are a testament to that. We will begin the proceedings of the day. I call upon Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, Sri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, President, BIA, Sri S. Rajendra, Vice President, BIA, and Sri A. Murali, Secretary, BIA, for the ribbon cutting. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the ribbon cutting. Kindly join you also. So please. I call upon Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, Sri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, President, BIA, Sri S. Rajendra, Vice President, BIA, and Sri A. Murali, Secretary, BIA, Sri Sagar Agarwal, Treasurer, BIA, for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ
I request, okay, we'll move further. Okay.
ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ಮರೆತೇವು ಮರೆವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ, ಎರೆದೇವು ಒಲವ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ. ನರ ನರವನೆಲ್ಲ ಹುರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನಕ ಸಾಲು, ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕ ದೀಪ. ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದಂತೆ ತೋರೇವು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನಕ ಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕ ಬೀರೇವು ಹಚ್ಚಿರುವ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದಂತೆ ತೋರೇವು ಒಡಲೊಡಲ ಕೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿನಾಡಿನಾಚೆ ತೂರೇವು ಒಡಲೊಡಲ ಕೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿನಾಡಿನಾಚೆ ತೂರೇವು ಒಮ್ಮಿರಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯದು ಭೀತಿ ನಾಡೊಲವೇ ನೀತಿ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮನ ಮನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಹೆಸರುಳಿಸಲು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯ ಮಿಡಿಯುವಿ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮವರು ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಹೆಸರುಳಿಸಲು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯ ಮಿಡಿಯುವಿ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮುಸಿರು ತೀಡುವಿ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯ ಗೀತ ಹಾಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮುಸಿರು ತೀಡುವಿ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯ ಗೀತ ಹಾಡೇವು ತೊರೆದೇವು ಮರುಳ ತಡೆದೇವು ಇರುಳ ಅಣೆದೇವು ತಿರುಳ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ಕರುಳೆಂಬ ಕುಳಿಗೆ ಮಿಂಚನ್ನೆ ಮುಡಿಸಿ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಂಕೇತ ಅಂತ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಮಹಡಿಯತ್ತ ತೆರಳೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಟೂರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತೀರಾ.
Located in the heart of the sprawling acreage of Bidadi Industrial Area is the new office building of BIA, Bidadi Industries Association. BIA came into existence in 2011 and has made fast strides in developing the industrial area, catching the eye of government, industry and community alike. This facility is another crucial milestone in the development path of BIA, as it offers members an opportunity for better interaction and collaborative effort. The facility is spread across 12,400 square feet of built-up area on a land of 16,660 square feet space. The milestone building has been developed with an investment of 7.5 crore rupees. The facility is for BIA's regular operations, and members can also access all the amenities built for common use. The facility consists of the following: ground floor, BIA office. You are seeing the grand reception area, which has 2 discussion rooms and visitor seating. Now we are looking at the visual display room, where BIA focus area activities with clear progress reports will be displayed. This is a small 6-packs discussion room with display facility. Then we enter the BIA office area, accommodating 26 personnel with internet and intranet connectivity. Here, we see a state-of-the-art control room for viewing CCTV displays where the entire industrial area can be monitored 24/7. Then comes the BIA boardroom, where the BIA think tank brainstorm on development activities. 2 cabins for use of the President and EC members and the CEO. Now we move to the first floor, which houses, on one side, a fully furnished plug-and-play office. This is also equipped with internet facility Interested startups can use this facility for a nominal fee. What you see here is a fully furnished 30 pax conference room with video conference facility. This can be split into two distinct rooms with two conferences happening simultaneously. Next to it, an 8 pax mini conference room for small meetings and interviews. Then we will enter into a sit-out lobby and the 150 pax multi-purpose hall, which is fully furnished and equipped with a state-of-the-art audiovisual system for corporate events. Then we will move to the second floor, where there's another fully furnished plug-and-play office with internet facility. We will now move to a fully furnished cafeteria with a sound system and sun deck for mini open-air events. BIA hopes that this new facility, with all these amenities, can act as a catalyst for the much-needed fellowship, interaction and collaboration among the members of Bidadi Industries Association.
That was a beautiful virtual tour of BIA office. Up next, we have BIA's new logo unveiling. I now request Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, to unveil the logo. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for BIA's new logo. BIA-ನ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ನರಸಿಂಹ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೋಗೋವನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಉದ್ಯಮ, ಸಮುದಾಯ, ಪರಿಸರದ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಇದು BIA new logo. Thank you so much for unveiling the logo, sir. Now I request to join for the photograph. The logo is beautifully designed by keeping industry, community, and environment concept. The logo is developed and dedicated to all the members of Bidadi Industries Association. Thank you so much, sir, and I request all the dignitaries to move to multipurpose hall and to occupy the dais. Now we are about to start the event of virtual inauguration of centralized solid waste management facility. I now request Sri A. Murali, Honorable Secretary, BIA, for the welcome address.
Ladies and gentlemen, respected members and friends, Shubhodaya, Ellarigu Namaskaraಗಳು, good morning. Today is a special day for many of us. Dreams do not come true very often. Today, few of our dreams have become a reality. I, and on behalf of Bidadi Industries Association, extend a warm and hearty welcome to all of you. We have the best wishes and blessings of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Dr. Ashwath Narayan, Honorable Minister of Large and Medium Scale Industries, Mr. Jagdish Shettar, and Honorable MLA of Magadi constituency, Mr. A. Manjunath. In view of their constitutional responsibilities and enforcement of the Code of Conduct in Karnataka State due to impending by-elections, they have sought leave of absence today. They would have been present with us otherwise happily. We have with us Mr. Vikram Kirloskar, Vice Chairman, Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited, We have also in our midst Mrs. Gunjan Krishna, IAS, Commissioner of Industries and Commerce Department, Government of Karnataka, and Dr. Shiv Shankar, IAS, Executive Member and Chief Executive Officer, Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board. Also present are Mr. Saumitra Bhattacharya, Managing Director, Bosch Limited, and President, Bosch Group in India, and Mr. Shekhar Vishwanathan, Vice Chairman and Whole-Time Director, Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. We heartily welcome them to this August gathering. Our founding secretary, Mr. D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, and former Managing Director of Toyota Technopark Private Limited, who is present today, is our chief guest. We welcome you, sir. Any association needs to have the strong backing of its ardent members. Our nearly 200 member industries have been wanting and waiting to be present in today's function. Considering the COVID-19 protocols, we thought it apt to relay the function live to all of you. Our member industries are represented by the top managements and their colleagues in office who are present in this function virtually. I welcome each one of them with folded hands. I also welcome my President, Mr. Rajendra Hegde, Vice President, Mr. E.S. Rajendra, Treasurer, Mr. Sagar Agarwal, and my fellow colleagues in the Executive Committee who have immensely contributed by sparing their valuable time for the association's cause, growth, and betterment. Without their vision, futuristic outlook, active and selfless involvement, we would not have been seen the light of this day in these challenging times. The association, which gave birth in 2011, took quantum jump in its strides since 2015 by formation of the Special Purpose Group. The Special Purpose Group has put its heart and soul in making the lives of our member industries business-friendly and promoting ease of doing business, mainly focusing on relationship management with various stakeholders such as government, fellow member industries, and nearby large community of villagers nearby by maintaining the industrial area clean, safe, and a very nice place to work. This state-of-art building, built at a cost of 7.5 crore, 75 million Indian rupees, stands tall and is testimony for all their toilings and brings in a profound hope of seamless co-working and coexistence amongst all of us in the long run. The infrastructure created can be used not only for the association's office, but also caters to supporting initiatives such as smart city projects, Startup India, Digital India, and promoting incubation centers, centers of excellence through its readily available plug-and-play offices and well-equipped meeting rooms. This office will also be used for the industrial growth of Ramanagara district by various stakeholders in the years to come. I welcome all the members of the Special Purpose Group who have played a very crucial role for today's events. The centralized solid waste management plant, built at a cost of rupees 5.5 crore, rupees 55 million, will also be inaugurated virtually today, which will be a baby step in our endeavor towards the cause of the environment and the society at large. The experience that we gain from operating the plant will inspire us to take many more challenges in our stride towards protecting environment, recycle, and reuse of waste. This plant will usher in environmental awareness in the local community, member industries, and more importantly, college and school students who are going to be the future of our country. So I extend my heartfelt greetings to the team that made this vision possible and welcome them too to this auspicious function. To make all our dreams come true, we need your continued support from everybody in this room and beyond. I welcome and thank you all for this memorable day and our great future at Bidadi Industrial Area. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Vandanagalu, namaskara. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful welcome address. I now request Sri Vikram Kirloskar, Vice Chairman, Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited, to deliver his keynote address.
Good morning, respected dignitaries. Ms. Gunjan Krishna, Honorable Commissioner for Industrial Development and Director, Department of Industries and Commerce, Government of Karnataka. Dr. N. Shiv Shankar, Honorable CEO and EM, KIDB, Mr. Soumitra Bhattacharya, Managing Director Bosch and President of Bosch Group in India, Mr. Shekhar Vishwanath, Vice Chairman and Whole-Time Director of TKML, Executive Committee members of BIA, and esteemed industry members. On the occasion of the inauguration event of the new BIA office building and the centralized solid waste management facility of BIA, I feel elated to greet all the stakeholders, dignitaries, and guests and extend my hearty wishes to all. It is exciting to watch BIA in its journey towards its stated destination of making the Bidadi industrial area the most admired industrial area, a robust organization with active support from member industries, government, and community. Major developments under the stewardship of BIA in a short period have been development of critical infrastructure, upkeep and maintenance of roads, street lights, and common area, 24/7 surveillance through security patrol and CCTV cameras, waste management, general aesthetics, and beautification. For sustainability, BIA has developed a robust but inclusive revenue model to accommodate the vast cross-section of industry. BIA's unique model of a unified CSR has contributed to keeping harmony with the surrounding community, which is helping industries to have uninterrupted operations. The government has noticed this unique development vision, mission, and performance by the BIA and has sought support from BIA to present the model to other associations. Due to these developments, more businesses are starting their operations in the Bidadi industrial area. Karnataka government's recent unveiling of a roadmap to make the state a preferred investment destination will provide added impetus to start a new operation in this area. The foundational factors to achieving global sustainable competitiveness in manufacturing are good product quality at the source, zero defect, 100% delivery, sustainable supply chain, adequate skilled human resource at an optimal cost, and of course, good and excellent corporate governance. Cost competitive but efficient infrastructure is a must, and most of all, mutual trust and respect between government, corporates, and society. While the first of the above are industry specific, the last two are common scope and hence provide a role for BIA to liaise with the government, tailored to the needs of Bidadi industrial area, which BIA is sharply focusing on. On this occasion of the inauguration of the new office building of BIA, I dedicate the facility to its members for enhanced member interaction with shared resources. The multipurpose hall, meeting conference rooms with AV facilities, and the plug-and-play offices helps in offering a common use benefit for small industries. Solid waste facility helps small industries adhere to compliance norms as well as a great help to community in general. I thank all the industries here for contributing their CSR funds, which will benefit the community and all stakeholders. I also, of course, thank the government of Karnataka, who really enabled us a few years ago when we started this. They took this idea of having a self-governed body for an industrial area very seriously and supported us, the industries and community, for joining hands with BIA in this wonderful journey. My sincere thanks to all of you for your patient listening.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable and motivational speech. Certainly, we will take forward BIA as intended. I now request Shri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, Honorable President of BIA, to enlighten us on everything we need to know about BIA. Please welcome Shri K.V. Rajendra Hegde.
Very good morning to all of you. Indeed, it is my pleasure today to be associated with this function, the dream which we had set probably 5 years back. Today we are inaugurated the new office building as well as the solid waste management setup, which we initially thought that very much required for any association to function properly. Today I will briefly explain our journey, how we started this program, and what is our achievement as Bidadi Industries Association with the help of all our members. The basic objective of this Bidadi Industries Association to run smooth business operations of all our industries and to do the business harmoniously aligned with the environment issues, and finally to become a most admired industrial area within the state. With these three objectives in mind, we started this journey, and we have divided our particular activities into 5 major pillar areas. One is Industry Connect, Government Connect, Estate Management, Community Connect, and Safety and Environment. Why we have divided these into 5 pillars? Because in most of the cases, we lose focus on each area. As an association, it is very much essential, these 5 pillars, if it functions properly, industries will prosper very well. Ultimately, our aim is to become the best industrial area. To meet that objective, we started this journey. Considering particularly when we started our journey initially in 2011, we registered as an association, and 2015 we started this special purpose group, a group of people, passionate people now currently who have been working and with the support of the industry, and they have deputed their full-time members to this association. Concept is very clear. We need to operate to have a seamless infrastructure. The sustenance is the key for this. Industries need to concentrate on their business. Convert association into an organization. These are the 3 areas actually which we mentioned. As I mentioned, becomes the key. The concept is very clear. No industries can survive or do the business without the support of the government, community, and the industry members. So this 3-dimensional approach which we started and move towards achieving our most admired industrial area. What will happen with this 3-dimensional approach? Industries will prosper. They can do hassle-free business. That is the very much required in the current scenario. For government, association act as a single window agency, and they can interact with this association and resolve many issues of the industries. And this also can be showcased to the industries or the investors, and actually you can attract more and more investments. However, the final aspect of community, how it is benefit to the community, because the concept of the unified CSR activity, wherein now all the CSR heads we meet every month and decide the program for our industries, communities, and the government. So that all this 3-dimensional approach finally help community to prosper, because as and when industry do well, the budget can be allocated more for the community development activities. We started journey in 15-16 as an humble association, and we started with a database creation, membership drive process, sponsor from industry. We took a lot of help from the industries at the initial stage, and we created our own WhatsApp group. So almost all the low-hanging the activities we started. Then 16-17, the Bidadi Industries total industrial area has been handed over to us with a separate MOU to manage and maintain, which we took over. And also the water management. Most of the industries, including Coca-Cola and Toyota, requires water for the home consumption, which actually now currently we are managing. And the concept of unified CSR we started. And also the property tax issues of the industries. As a common body, we actually started negotiating with the local bodies, and we fixed the local property taxes. Similarly, from the government's perspective, we also started accounting and the auditing process within the organization. Now 17 to 20, this is basically a stabilization period wherein our dream of having our own office, today it has come true. We are now moved to the new office, And we also started the 24/7 the patrolling services within the industrial area. And we have already installed almost 65 to 70 CCTV cameras, which can be controlled and monitored from this facility, what is happening over there. We also started creating a revenue model wherein actually sustenance of the Bidadi Industries Association is very important. And the third and the final very important the request from the government of Karnataka is that please replicate this model in other associations or other industrial areas. Towards that, we started showcasing our activity, how actually we are able to manage this association very professionally. So that also started yielding good results. Finally, we have a final destination we need to reach in next 2 to 3 years' time to become a most admired industrial area. We need to have a common amenity center, ambulance services, police outpost within the industrial area, fire station, and because ours is a manufacturing industrial area, we need to have parking facility for trucks. And we are also planning to have a health center for all industrial workers within the industrial area. And finally, we wanted to make this as an admired industrial area. We have our executive committee members representing various sectors of the industries. We have totally around 12 to 13, supported by our founding secretary, Mr. Narsim Bhatt and Kurtukoti. They are our special advisors for our executive committee. As I mentioned earlier, the unique concept which you cannot see in any other the industrial association is that the special purpose group. We formed this after benchmarking many other associations wherein the members of the industry, full-time employees of the industries have been deputed to Bidadi Industries Association to work for a tenure of 3 years, and on a rotation basis, these employees will go back and new batch of people come. The objective here is to focus more on the developmental activity, industry, the connect activities, community connect activities, as well as have a good liaison with the government bodies. With this concept it started giving a good result. I really appreciate the SPG members and the industries who have deputed them for this purpose. Under the Industry Connect pillar, regularly we have outreach program wherein we actually listen to the concerns of the members, and depending upon their concerns, we organize meeting with various bodies, communities, district administration, BESCOM, police, like that. So far, actually, in the current year, 6 outreach program organized and 350 members participated. We also, as I mentioned earlier, to showcase this activity as per the request of the state government, particularly the Chief Secretary's initiative, we started explaining this model of special purpose group, and almost 13 industrial associations, we explained this model and briefed them how actually this can benefit the industries, community, and the government. Now, already 3 associations have been incorporated similar model with our guidance. When we started this journey, we had around 48 members only. After seeing the effort of the SPG and the association, now currently we have almost 180 plus members operating in this area. Our objective as an association is to facilitate all industries to smooth functionally. They should grow, they should prosper together. That is the main objective of this association. Under the government activity, I would wholeheartedly thank the Government of Karnataka, KADB, and Industries Commerce. Some of the development would have not been possible without their support. We can, to mention some of the road conditions which is in the left side, now currently last 3 to 4 years, how we could able to develop is very clearly visible. Government of Karnataka again supported us and pumped in almost 51 million rupees in last 5 years in development of this industrial area. To show our gesture, we also as an association has given around 10 million rupees in developmental activities, put together almost we have spent 60 crore rupees in this journey. Association has given around 10 crores. We also started the feeder services for industrial workers on a hourly basis. This transportation arrangement is made within the Bidadi industrial area. Under estate management, I think one thing I would like to re-emphasize here, for small activities, if you go on depending on the government, nothing will move. So with that concept, what we started, we took over all the maintenance which hitherto was maintained by KADB. We started maintaining our, with the help of our SPG, we started maintaining the road. We have established the public toilets for the particularly contract workers, drain cleaning, establishing bus shelters, creating footpaths, and daily cleaning of the industrial area. Further, today what we have inaugurated, we have established this office building. Basically, this will help all industries who can make use of this and use of our facilities like the auditoriums, conference rooms, etc. And we also created a plug-in office system wherein if any new industries want to start their business, initially they will not have their office. They can make use of their office, we will provide food, and we make all arrangements so that they can start their business smoothly with the help of Bidadi Industries Association. With that concept, this whole building has been constructed. Our new office building, now which we have inaugurated, we have multiple what you call the discussion rooms, board rooms, plug-in office system, which I already mentioned, for 150 packs of the auditorium, and we have conference room, we have cafeteria. It is a full-fledged office and particularly dedicated to the members of Bidadi industrial area. Community Connect activity is one of the key, because no industries can survive without the community, because we have been using their resources, water, land, everything. So with that concept, we started a new the term called Unified CSR activity, wherein actually the BIA works as a nucleus, and with the help of all the industries, we have started this journey, basically to have a harmonious business atmosphere, enhance the image of the companies, brand building, and finally, socio-economic development of the community. So we have taken over almost 49 villages around Ramnagara district and started developing it. And some of the glimpses that we have constructed: CSCs, lake regeneration, schools, and the common area cleaning. The laundry list is so long, which because of the time available, I will not be in a position to mention. As of now, last 4 years, with the help of all industries and their support, we could able to spend almost 66 crore rupees for the community development in the surrounding area within the Ramnagara districts. I think this is one good milestone which we need appreciation. Due to the COVID pandemic, most of the industries suffered, like the socio-economic development also stopped. But however, as Bidadi Industries Association, as a good gesture, we started supporting the district administration in releasing the food kits, as well as the medicines, masks, sanitizers, creating beds for the district health center, etc. So far, and also we have contributed to the Chief Minister Relief Fund. See, totally almost 10 crore rupees has been spent in last 6 months for COVID-related activities. Safety and environment is very important, because the protection of environment is the top priority. Similarly, association is also actually focusing on that area. Now, so far, as far as the safety is concerned, everywhere in Bidadi industrial area, we have erected safety boards. We have installed CCTV cameras. Across, we can control and monitor, and all our sodium vapor have been converted into LED lamps so that we can save and contribute to the environment, and road signages. We also established the traffic signals, and more than 45,000 samplings have been planted in the surrounding Bidadi industrial area, so that actually we can contribute to the environment. We also have 24/7 patrolling services within the industrial area. Ultimately, all these things is yielding to the reduction in accident within the industrial area. Now, currently, it is very minimal. Important, which we had a dream that all the industries should have a common solid waste management setup. With the help of Government of Karnataka, we could able to establish. We have purchased around 2 acres of land in common amenities land, and this is a state-of-art setup wherein every day we can segregate and the process around 15 tons of waste of the industries what they are generated. In a phase 1, we have started for the small industries and the medium industries. Also keeping the community in mind, the villages which has attached to this industrial area, around 10 villages, there the waste also we are collecting and we will be actually disposing in a very scientific way. For community it is free of cost, but however for industries we charge minimal amount, and that also has been inaugurated today. I am really happy to announce that. Thank you very much for patient listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us on BIA activities. Now we are on the verge of inaugurating another milestone project of BIA. Shri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt. He is a veteran in the industry and reached the pinnacle of his career as he was managing director of Toyota Techno Park. His inputs and ideas are functional to bring BIA. Now I request our Shri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, to officially inaugurate Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the virtual inauguration of Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility.
Welcome to the Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility, CSWM, of BIA, Bidadi Industries Association, located in Phase 2 of the Bidadi Industrial Area. To overcome the garbage menace, BIA carried out a detailed survey through Sahas Zero Waste. As per recommendation, BIA initiated the process for the setting up of a central solid waste management facility. In the process, KIADB allotted land to BIA. BIA acquired the land and established a 10,000 square foot facility with the help of member industries who generously contributed through their CSR. The facility houses a solid waste sorter, baling machine, an organic waste composter with pulverizer, and related machinery and equipment. Waste is of 2 categories: dry and wet, non-industrial and non-hazardous municipal waste. The facility would be able to process 10 metric tons of dry waste and 5 metric tons of wet waste per day, with future expansion plans for the benefit of the community and the industries in the Bidadi industrial area. We thank all the facility contributors for their generous help and support.
Thank you, sir, for inaugurating Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility. Thank you so much. I now request Shri Saumitra Bhattacharya, Managing Director, Bosch Limited and President, Bosch Group in India, to deliver the guest of honor speech.
Dear colleagues, it's a wonderful opportunity to thank you all for this great moment where we open the Bidadi Industries Association new office, or in short called BIA. Along with that, the Central Solid Waste Management Facility, which is also being opened. For me, it's a very fond recollection when Bosch came to Bidadi. Bosch started talking with Toyota Kirloskar, where it had BIA, and how we could participate and have collaboration. What has happened in the journey is obsessive collaboration between not just Bosch and Toyota, but with all other industries, making Bidadi Industries Association, including Bidadi Industrial Area, a benchmark, I think, in Karnataka. The work done both in terms of development of the industrial area as also the work done in societal engagement, is truly refreshing and something that we can look forward to. Just two examples. Toyota Kirloskar as well as Bosch took up two big lakes. The rejuvenated lakes look wonderful today and show the greenery and the care for environment. Along with that, various CSR projects including holistic development of villages are just some notable causes. BIA has helped the MSME sector massively, and I can surely tell that with the new office, with the motivated and energetic office bearers headed by the President, Mr. Hegde, and the unstinted support given by Toyota Kirloskar and Bosch, I'm sure will take BIDDI and BIA into new heights and create a benchmark not just in Karnataka but also in India. I wish the office bearers, the entire industry, and all the members who collaborate to have the same zeal and vigor with which we have started, and all the very best for the journey. Let's make BIDDI a great place and let that be a shining example for the state that we stay in Karnataka.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging and enterprising words. Now I request our Shri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, to address the gathering.
President of the BIDDI Industry Association, Mr. Rajendra Hegde, Vice President, Mr. Rajendra, the current Secretary, Mr. Murali, Treasurer, Mr. Sagar Agarwal, and other executive members, Mr. Jakati. Of course, all are my good friends from ages together, and also other dignitaries and respected invitees who are participating virtually on this inaugural program. Good morning to you all. And first of all, let me compliment and congratulate the Executive Committee members and the SPG members for their unstinted effort in bringing out these two milestone occasions of inauguration of the own building, office building of the association, as well as the combined solid waste management facilities. These are the two dream projects what we envisaged as an important aspect of the association to promote the industries around and support the villages around. And it is also my privilege to participate today as a keynote speaker here on the occasion of the inauguration of these facilities, because I also had the privilege of participating in the groundbreaking ceremony of both the facilities. And it is an occasion for me to recall the pleasant journey what we had. I don't know whether it's pleasant or hard, it's a rocky journey, but now it has become pleasant looking at the facilities. But it will always will be someone has to work hard to achieve certain objectives. And as Mr. Hegde mentioned, the association activity started in the year 2011, and October happens to be a very auspicious month for the association because the association was inaugurated on the month of October only in 2012. And today we are inaugurating the office facilities and the solid waste management facilities also in the month of August. And the Dasara festivals are very close by. And let this auspicious occasion continue in the life of this association and let it flourish all through. And let me recall the few of my memories as the journey started. As we started the association in 2011, I happened to be the founder secretary along with Mr. K. Srikanth, who was the president from Toyota Kirloskar Motors of the for this association. And two of us were struggling with the enrollment of members, and hardly we could get few members, and who by obligation have become members because majority of happens to be the suppliers of Toyota Kirloskar Motors. Then we had a mere 7 lakh rupees as a resources with us, and we could not do anything with these funds. And except that few committee meetings we are holding, nothing could much happen until 2015. At the end of 2014, Mr. Shekhar Vishwanathan, who is the vice chairman of Toyota Kirloskar Motors, called me one day to explain the activities of Bidadi Industry Association. At that time I said, nothing is happening because now I am all alone and the presidents have often changed in the association, and we need the industry captains to support the association activities. Then he asked how the industries can support. I said by lending the manpower, because industry association on its own do not have any capacity to employ their own staff, and probably if the industries support, this association can function. He appreciated the idea and immediately he lent the support of Mr. Harish, the general manager from Toyota Kirloskar Motors. And from there, the journey started. At this juncture, it is my duty to thank the support lent by the ELCITA, the association from Electronic City area, who has acted as a mentors to our association. So myself and Harish visited the ELCITA and discussed the progress they made, how they have formed the association and what are their activities and objectives and what are the achievements they have achieved. We came back and sat in the drawing room, boardroom of Toyota Technopark, and two of us have made the blueprint where we went on discussing, brainstorming, only two of us, and the blueprint was made ready. And I should thank Mr. Harish on this occasion for the excellent support he has given in documenting our discussion points and presenting it to the then Managing Director of Toyota Kirloskar Motor, Mr. Ishishan. And Ishishan very much appreciated the concept and said, given the green signal of go ahead. Then came the real support in the form of deputation of Mr. Rajendra Hegde as the president and the full-time support for the association. It has given the real life and energy to the association. I thank Mr. Hegde and not looking back from that point and supporting the association with full involvement. And I'll also fail if I don't mention the name of Mr. Kiran, who is working in the External Affairs Division of Toyota Kirloskar Motors, because a lot of government support was required, and through Mr. Hegde and Mr. Kiran, we could start igniting the activities of the association. And also, I will fail my duty if I don't mention the supporting organizations like Toyota Kirloskar Auto Parts, Toyota Kirloskar Logistics, Transystem Logistics, Bosch, and other smaller organizations around the industrial area. And slowly we could increase the membership and we could design the yearly contribution from the industries, and which wholeheartedly supported by the industries. And as visible progress has been seen, people have started seeing the visible progress in the industry, members started coming around and enrolling themselves. And today we are standing before you with these two wonderful facilities and with the membership of around 200 numbers. This itself shows the earnest activity and the passion with which the executive committee members have worked hard along with the support of the SPG members and brought this association on to this stage. And also, maybe my working experience with the Toyota Technopark, as the Technopark being an infrastructure industry, must have supported in visioning out this exercise, how the industrial area should be. And the 5 pillar activities and other details what Mr. Hegde has explained in detail now has taken shape. And I am sure that with the passion and unstinted support of all the SPG members, and nevertheless to not to forget of the support of all the members of the association, the industry will flourish. And the activities is not stopped here, because many more activities has to be done, like listed by Mr. Hegde, the other amenity centers with the primary health centers, and also many of the MSMEs do not have their own water treatment facilities. Maybe a common sewage treatment facility may also be required for the industry association. And I request the executive members to benchmark with other progressive industrial associations and list out the programs and make a vision statement for the association, and chalk out the programs for further growth and development. And also I urge upon the executive members and the SPG members to conduct an aspiration survey among the industry captains as to what is their expectation from the industries, apart from taking care of the day-to-day activities and infrastructure development, and also other growth activities like education and seminars, symposiums for the growth and development, technical growth and development of the MSMEs, and also not to forget while taking care of the employer's requirement, to take care of the employees' requirement also, because this area has huge employees potential, and many thousands of employees are working. Their basic needs also has to be met, because they do not have time to go to other facilities to their day-to-day requirement. If the industrial area can develop such facilities here, it will be much helpful. And I urge upon the current executive committee members to visualize such problems and list it out and give priorities for these programs, and make arrangements for developing the required infrastructure and facilities. With these few words, I am very happy to be participating in the opening ceremony of this office inauguration, as well as the inauguration of the solid waste management. And I wish the executive committee members and the members of the association all the best, and look forward for the future growth and development, and all through, and to realize, to make the Bidadi Industrial Association as the most admired industries association, and the government also to look upon through the association to take guidance for other associations and to be the light for other associations. Thank you one and all. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for those valuable, thoughtful, and inspirational speech. Thank you everyone for being a part of this auspicious celebration. I now call upon Sri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, Honorable President, to felicitate our Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary. Now I request Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, kindly stay back, sir, and I request you to do the honor for our esteemed EC members of BIA for their valuable contribution in shaping and developing Bidadi Industries Association. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, Honorable President. Up next, Sri S. Rajendra, Honorable Vice President. Sri A. Murali, Honorable Secretary. Shri Sagar Agarwal, Honorable Treasurer. Shri P.B. Shetty, Honorable EC Member. Shri Vinod R. Jagati, Honorable EC Member. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Now we have come to the end of inauguration event. I would now like to invite Shri S. Rajendra, Honorable Vice President BIA, to deliver the oath of thanks.
Very good morning to one and all. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Bidadi Industrial Association and the entire fraternity of member industries here together, extend my vote of thanks to Honorable Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, Deputy CM, Government of Karnataka, Honorable Shri Jagdish Shettar, Minister of Large and Medium Scale Industries, Government of Karnataka, Honorable Shri A. Manjunath, MLA, Magadi, Honorable Srimati Gunjan Krishna, IAS, Commissioner for Industries Development and Director at Department of Commerce and Industry, Honorable Dr. N. Shivashankar, IAS, CEO and EM, KIADB. I personally thank Mr. Vikram Kirloskar for his continuous guidance in shaping this association and for the keynote address. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Mr. Soumitra Bhattacharya for his continuous guidance, mentoring us from day one. Sir, without your continuous support, this journey would have not been possible. We are all inspired by your great words. Further, we are grateful to Mr. Shekhar Vishwanathan for his continuous guidance and support all these years. We would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to Founder Secretary Shri D.K. Narsim Bhatt for joining us today and gracing the occasion. We thank Industries and Commerce Department, KIADB, KRDCL, BWSSP, BESCOM, KSPCB, PWD, National Highway Division, District Administration, Jilla Panchayat, TMC Bidadi, MNGP, District Police, and other government officials, and finally, friends from media. We thank all our industry members, the respective industry heads, without whose consistent support, we could have not been able to achieve our goals. I personally thank each and every sponsoring industry towards centralized solid waste management facility and other community support activities generously. I am grateful to the entire team of BIA Executive Committee members, helmed by President Shri K.V. Rajendra Hegde for their guidance and support along the path of development. Our special thanks to Shri D.K. Narsim Bhatt, Founder Secretary, and Shri Shashikant Kurkoti, past EC member, for lending their expertise as honorary advisors. We also thank all the past presidents, secretaries, and EC members who have laid a strong foundation towards BIA growth. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling a month ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of dedicated and passionate colleagues of BIA Special Purpose Group who worked hard to complete these two projects and make this event happen. Many thanks to them. We are also extremely grateful to all our project consultants, contractors, and vendors who put in extra efforts during this pandemic and were responsible for timely completion of these projects, as well as supporting us in making this event a grand success. Not the least among them being the event managers. We thank one and all for being with us today and gracing the occasion. Thank you very much. Vandanagalu.
Thank you, sir, for presenting vote of thanks. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this iconic celebration. I may now request everybody to raise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. On that note, I would like to thank everyone once again for taking time off to be a part of this occasion. It would not have been possible without your presence. Together, we will realize our dreams of making BIA a self-reliant and self-sustaining organization. This is MC Anusha signing off for today. Have a great day. Namaskara. Jai Hind.